Hey, this is Stargut here with the review of the AULA mechanical keyboard. So this keyboard is a typewriter style mechanical gaming keyboard, and for $48 I think it's a pretty good deal. So here it is. As you can see, the keys are kind of non-conventional because they're rounded, and there's quite a lot of travel distance between the keycaps and the bottom you see there. It makes a nice sound when you press on it, and it feels like pretty good quality. You can see that each of these keys has like this metal casing around it. The surface is actually plastic, but it still feels like pretty good quality. I really like, so the case is actually made of aluminum, and it has a pretty good feel to it. The weight of this is not too heavy, but it still feels like it's made of quality materials, unlike some keyboards that are just all plastic, and you know how plastic feels. Another thing I like about this keyboard is this knob in the top right. It actually controls the LEDs. Right now you can see that each section of keys is highlighted a different color. You can adjust the brightness with this knob here. So right now I was turning it down, and I'll gradually bring it to full brightness. You can even change the lighting mode by pressing this button here, so that looks like it turns off some sections while keeping others on. This one goes through some kind of dimming. If I do it again, it just stays lit. One more and it kind of does like a wave of lighting here, which is pretty interesting. This one does another wave, but kind of two waves separating out from the center. And that one, there's more. You can experiment all day with these different lighting things. I never knew. Okay, so there's one. Okay, I thought that was just like highlighting one key. That's kind of weird. But yeah, I think this is great. It actually sounds like a typewriter. Oh, so this one will highlight the key that you press, which is really cool. I didn't know that until now. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, so this keyboard keeps things interesting, as you can see. And I was going to say that it's great. It sounds like an actual typewriter, what I imagine a typewriter would sound like, since I've never used an actual typewriter, but it has this kind of like antiquity and modern feel to it. So it's like the meeting of past and, you can even say future, and it's pretty cool. I will say it is kind of loud, just because the travel distance means that when the key pops back up, it has the springs pop back up and kind of rattle things a bit. So I'm not sure if, I guess, the people you were sitting next to would appreciate you using this, but it honestly if I'm using this low and it feels nice, I kind of like the sound. And there's kind of like a symphony of keys going on. So yeah, that's my review. Overall, great product. One thing I forgot to mention was that it comes with this magnetic, and this is a terrible lighting, so I can't really show you it in all its glory, but there is like a, let me see, it comes with this, which is the width of the keyboard, and it's meant to be like a, I should say, a wrist rest, or somewhere for you to place your wrist as you are typing. It's a gentle slope, so that because the keyboard is maybe like an inch off the table, so it kind of brings your wrist, your hands up to level with the keys. And I feel that I've used this before to put on top of my laptop. If I want to use this keyboard with my laptop, I just put it up here and put this. Since it's magnetic, it will snap onto it, and I can actually bring my keyboard pretty close to my laptop by doing this. So yeah, it's pretty neat. All right. Thanks for listening. See you later.